Hey everyone, it is Couponing with D and I am back with another video. As you can see, my table has a couple of goodies on there. Some are clearance items, the rest are not. I took those non-threshold CRTs and paired them up with items in CVS. Yes, this is off of 5 cards. No, we're not getting CRTs like we used to, but I take advantage of what I can when I can. First off, let's start with the items in the front. I purchased one paparazzi at $2.99, paired it up with a $2 off cosmetic or nail product CRT. That left me paying 99 cents. And of course, all these items were put on a gift card. My lovely husband handed me a gift card for CVS. And yes, I went spending today. So with taxes, I paid $1.07 for the one paparazzi nail polish. On the next card, I purchased 2 paparazzi nail polish. They are 2 or more for $2.50 each or $2.99 a piece. And then I purchased my December free gift, which was the paparazzi lavender cuticle and hand cream. My total in CRTs that I had were $5.99. My subtotal was $2 with taxes $2.16. Always got to keep some nail polish around. Next, it was the 2 razors and the toothbrush in the front. I had a $2 off any CVS oral health care. I think it was how it was worded. So the toothbrush was $1.99. It zeroed out. The disposable twin blade razors had a $2 off CRT. They were $2.99. After all the CRTs came off and the extra rewards, they came down to 77 cents. The Blade 360 razor and refill was priced at $8.99. I had a $5 off one CRT, which brought it down to $3.10 after the 2% rewards attached. So my total out of pocket for that one was $3.87. Total after taxes is $4.77. The next items that I bought, so I purchased 2 gift sets, but I only intended on purchasing one. When I got to the register, I found out that it was not $24.99. They are marked half off at $12.50. I had $17 in coupons. I had a 7 off of 25 fragrance. I had 2 $5 off art and gift sets. So my subtotal was $8. After taxes, I paid $9.44. None of these items gave back any extra bucks. I didn't pay with extra bucks. Again, I paid with a gift card. My next item is the Norelco 13-piece all-in-one trimmer. Those are regularly priced at $26.49. I had a $12 off Norelco shave CRT, a 5 off of 20 any shave product, and then I had a 32% off CRT, which took $3.04 off. I was doing the math for this in the car because yesterday I locked my husband's hair and then I went to trim his beard and his mustache, and I was like, I really got to find another trimmer. So for right now, this is going to work. My subtotal was $6.45, and with taxes, I paid $7.93. That is what I did on 5 cards. This is for the week of December 25th through January 1st. Everything with taxes on the table totaled out, I want to say to $25.14. Well, let's just say that could be the price of either one of those gift sets or the trimmers. That's what I have for you this week from CVS. I will see you next week with another CVS video. I may try to get in there this week. Everybody knows CVS deals this week are no good. They are just ugh. But if I do find something, or if I can put something together, I will pop up another video. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.